Hey there, welcome back. So in the last video series, we built a Google Docs clone. I hope that was very helpful. We built everything from scratch, right from the back end to the front end and everything. This video series is about one more application, which is I'm naming it as DALI GAN AI. So DALI Generative Adversarial Networks AI. So with this, we are going to generate images provided any prompt. So this is going to be a text to image DALI GAN AI. So we are going to learn a lot using this, and we are going to build a full stack again. So let me showcase you the gist and the demo of the application, how it's going to look like in this video. Okay, so now heading to the UI part. So let me take you to the application. So this is the application I'm talking about. So I have named this as DALI GAN AI, Generative Adversarial Networks AI. So with this, we'll be able to generate the images given a prompt describing a particular scenario or situation. So we're going to learn a lot how to integrate AI into full stack. So this is going to be very learning application. So let us check the one example. So here, if we are not sure about what to generate image about, so let's just click on this. I have a list of predefined set of prompts which were used to generate a beautiful images. So let's click on this. So it's going to randomly generate for us some out of the list of the predefined prompts I have set. It is going to take randomly one prompt out of that. So clicking on this, so here I have selected this. So now we have again, after selecting this prompt, we have an option to select the size of image that it wants us to generate for us. So there is three options: small, medium and large. So I'm setting it to large for now. So now clicking on this generate, it's going to hit our API, which we are going to write in our Express.js and Node.js API application, and then it is going to hit our DALI endpoint, and then it's going to generate image for us. So if you see, so this is the thing. As soon as the image is generated, this model will be showcased to us with an option to copy the prompt, okay, and then the download the image. So if I click on this, so you see here the image is successfully downloaded. Okay, now if I just see here, we after generating the images, okay, so this, it's going to first generate image using our OpenAI DALI endpoint, okay, and we are going to store the generated image in our Cloudinary file storage application. So this is how the thing will be storing. So this is where our images will be stored, and this gives us the remote URL, which in turn we are going to store this URL in our MongoDB database. Okay, so this is the way. So first things, take the prompt from the user, okay, and generate an image and store that image in our cloud storage, and then use that URL to store in our database. So for that, as I said, we are going to use the MongoDB database. So I am using the remote Atlas MongoDB, so you can use your local too, so not a problem. Just we are going to use the MongoDB. So this is how we will be storing the data. This simple model, our database is the DALI, and the table collection name is the images. So in that the model, we will have the prompt, image URL, and the time at which it is created. So simple thing. So this is where we'll be storing. And as I told you about the file uploading images to our remote cloud, this is what we'll be using, Cloudinary, and the obviously the OpenAI API key to talk to our DALI endpoint. Okay, so fine. So after this, so here if you see here, let me refresh this. So this was the thing. So now you can view this, and clicking on this, it's going to open a model which is going to provide a view for you, the image, prompt, and the options to copy and download. So which is going to be really a good learning for us. Okay, and as I mentioned, we are now talking about the technologies. complete APIs we're going to build using the Node.js and Express.js thing. We're going to build an endpoints for that, and once the backend is done, we're going to move to the client side, the front end, completely using the React and the Tailwind CSS. Okay, so there we are going to consume the APIs, and we are going to build this beautiful application that you're seeing. Okay, so this is going to be a lot of learning. Hope you guys will learn a lot. So this is the sneak peek into the application that we'll be building. So from next video onwards, first I will complete the backend part of building APIs, and then we'll move on to the client side code. Okay, so thank you so much, and looking forward for the next video.